In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil maintenance reminder light on a Toyota Corolla. So to reset the oil light and maintenance light on this Corolla, you put the key in the ignition, turn it on, do not start it, and you'll see right there it says miles. You're going to go to your steering wheel and see the word display, D-I-S-P. Hit it till you see tachometer or odometer trip A. Now you're there. Turn the key in the off position, hold down your mode button, and then turn the key on. You'll see those dashes. They'll go away and hit 00, and you are all set. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.